Hello students, I hope so you are safe and healthy. In the last class, we had done the revision of the lesson and today we will start with the first topic, that is interdependence. So what do you mean by interdependence? Interdependence means how one country is dependent on other countries for something. So all the countries of the world are all interdependent with each other. As we know that something is produced in other countries, for example, before some days in our country, one Air Force plane came which is called as fighter plane named Rafale. It had become very popular. You must have heard in the news and it was a very proud moment for us because this plane was not possible to construct in India. It was made in one company of France. So, what we did, we purchased this plane named Rafale with France and brought to India. So, we became dependent on other country for this plane. As we all know that what is the situation all are facing nowadays because of COVID-19. So the vaccine named hydrochloroquine is made in India and it was in great demand in other countries when there was a lot of COVID-19 cases. India used to help them. So here we can come to know that every country is dependent on other country for one or the other reasons. As none of the countries are self-sufficient. India is not a developed country, but it is a developing country. So we need to take help of other countries. Every small or big nations are interdependent with each other. So it is very important in today's global system. Now we will study about international relations through foreign policy. So what do you mean by foreign policy? You must have read that you should follow the international system. What do you mean by international system? International system works through policy and that policy is called as foreign policy. Is it clear, students? So, every country make their international relations with different countries or nations according to foreign policy. Every country has their internal relations, but to maintain international relations with other countries, some policies is necessary and that is foreign policy. Students, we will stop here and in details about foreign policy we will study in the next chapter. Assignments are given below. Write in your classwork book. Thank you.